The Nike Lake Resort is a landmark tourism destination in Enugu, Nigeria, situated on the banks of the Nike Lake, which is currently being transformed by the Landmark Africa Group into a world-class leisure and business resort. The resort offers a range of amenities, including well-appointed rooms, a swimming pool, restaurants, and plans for an adventure park with the goal of becoming a leading destination in the southeast. Now imagine touching down the Enugu International Airport via the Enugu Airlines and having to lodge in a resort immediately. This takes you straight up to the Nike Lake Resort, where you get luxurious experiences for an unbeatable price. This has seen investors rushing massively into the state of Enugu and into the wider southeastern region, despite other concerns of being landlocked. This has unlocked a new figure in improving the GDP development of the state. In this video, we'll talk about why important personnel, celebrities, and important businessmen in the country are rushing to the Nike Lake Resort, leaving behind other popular hotel brands and other popular resort brands in places and beaches like Lagos and the rest. If it's your first time on the channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon, because on this channel, we update people on the latest happenings and the economic realities of the country. If you do not want to be left out on this discussion, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for future videos. Starting with the location and overview. The resort is located on the banks of Nike Lake in Enugu, Nigeria, and is a short drive from the city center and Akanibiam Airport. Transformation. The Landmark Africa, in partnership with the Enugu state government, has taken over management of the 150-hectare resort for a 35-year lease to redevelop it into a premier tourism and business destination. The resort features guest rooms overlooking the lake or gardens, an outdoor swimming pool, restaurants, and bars. A joint venture was signed in January of 2025 to transform the aging resort into a modern facility, with Landmark Africa investing an initial 10 billion naira. There has been renovations and work since then, which began in July of 2025, focusing on a complete upgrade of the rooms with modern interior design and aesthetics. The transformation also includes the development of a children's adventure park, waterfront activities, and a variety of food and beverage options. The renovation aims to elevate the resort to a world-class standard, focusing on luxury and a memorable experience for business and leisure travelers. The project is expected to create jobs and boost tourism revenues for Enugu State and the surrounding regions. While renovations are ongoing, the resort continues to offer services with plans for a significant upgrade to its facilities and offerings in the coming months. This is a fresh breath on the resort, which has been decaying and which has been abandoned due to infrastructural decay and neglect. In the late 1980s through the 1990s, Nike Lake Resort was one of the many reasons leisure seekers visited Enugu, the cool city. Then, the resort, founded in 1988, hosted the best of events from top government, social to corporate within Enugu and the southeast. Having enjoyed an environment that offers breathtaking views in secure and tranquil setting, we retire into one of the resorts. Apart from the 210 well-appointed rooms, lakeview restaurants, bars, expansive outdoor swimming pool, and sports facilities, the lake resort's alluring nature was a big draw for visitors. Sadly, the heydays of the 3-star 150-hectare Nike Lake Resort did not last long enough, as lack of maintenance, government interference, and other challenges contributed in running the resort out of business. On their part, the successive Enugu state government, after the administration of Jim Nwobodo, the former governor of the old Anambra state, who started the resort, made efforts at restoring the glory of the once thriving resort with less impact. As well, in 2020, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the immediate past governor, also set up a board to oversee the rehabilitation of the resort, all to no avail. Yet, from the African Sun, a South African hotel and management company, to other hospitality companies, the lake resort witnessed a series of renovation exercises that couldn't restore its past glory. However, hope seems to have risen for the restoration of the resort, as the present administration in the state has engaged a reputable hospitality and real estate company to restore the Like Lake Resort at last. Earlier this year, January precisely, the Enugu state government partnered with Landmark Africa Group to transform the resort into a world-class tourism destination as well as manage it. With the agreement, Landmark Africa secured a 35-year lease to manage, operate, and redevelop the site. It has also rebranded the resort as Landmark Nike Lake Resort, Enugu, which is now a new subsidiary of the Landmark African Group. Also, the partnership agreement signed by Paul Onwanibe, Group CEO, Landmark Africa Group, and Adora Chukwu, Commissioner for Trade and Investment, on behalf of the two parties, respectively, elicited hope from the public due to the reputation of Landmark Africa, which has delivered and is successfully managing many world-class real estate and hospitality projects across the country and in some African countries. Again, and most importantly, since assuming office, Peter Mbah, governor of Enugu State, has recorded many achievements in fulfillment of his campaign promises, especially in infrastructure and development, and a 30 billion target for the state. Matching words with action, the first phase of work has started at the resort, with the entrance gate now bearing Landmark Nike Lake Resort, while key personnel of the company for the development work are on the ground. In the first phase of the 10 billion investment, it will upgrade facilities including hotel rooms, waterfront, children park, alongside others. If you've enjoyed this video to this point, kindly drop a like to this video, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you do not miss out on our future videos. And on that note, I'll see you in my very next video.